front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. If you can't find them over here, select Folders and look for them in Gallery app. Then click on the chosen one. And to add another one, go back into Folders and tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!